Hello, on this tutorial we're going to go over how to add and edit your either user profile or member profile depending on who the owner of the community has set up. So let's go to it. So what you do is you go to you do one or two things. You either go to account info, you can find it there, or you can create your profile. Um, let's do that and create your profile. Okay, and then what happens is it opens up into a WYSIWYG, and then it says, show your pictures in hot or not. So we talked about that in the photo album tutorial. And so here, this is where this is talking about. You're able to show those pictures there or not. So I'm going to say no. And if you want to allow users, or yes, it doesn't matter for this, again, for this demo. And then allow users to leave you comments. I would say yes, because or no, based upon what your goal is and what you want to do. And then again, it opens up into a WYSIWYG, and this is where you can type in greetings, my name is Brian. Oh, and I'm a business consultant. And then you just keep adding on from there. And if it's about your business, but this is your personal profile, so there's many other places, like in the business directory and some other areas that you can actually add your business, your members page, as well as another place that you can actually add that. For here, this is for your personal profile. And then what's the name of your business, if you have a name of your business, and for this one, ST Start It Today as the title. Then you're able to upload up to 6 images here, and you're also able to upload audio files. We're going to soon be able to have it where you can also upload a video there as well. You can customize your profile colors on the outside, so your background color you can change, text color you can change, as well as the links. So if you say, for instance, you create a hyperlink, you can change the hyperlink color as well. And then you will click save. Let's change the background color, so we can, just for the sake of this demo, text colors white. Oh, let's make it yellow. Yellow, and then we'll save it. Okay, now that it's saved, now if you want to view your profile, click on View My Profile. It'll take a second depending on how fast it is. It goes with the name. If you notice here, the color is different color here. So again, it's customized. This is about me. That's your personal information. As a member, I'm able to add you as a friend, or a person can add you as a friend. You can send them a message here, as well as you can get more information about them by clicking here. So this is the basics. So if you want to add again, you want to edit your profile, you will click here, and it takes you back here to the WYSIWYG editor. And then if you want to go back to the main page, and then you'll see it here. This is right now. This is the one we just created. I live in Pomona, so it's 0 miles to where I am. And then the last login is on today's date at the time. It's been viewed 2 times because I viewed it 2 times myself. So basically, this is how you edit and create your user/members profile. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.